Alright, welcome to the tutorial for the song Kho Gaye Hum Kahan. If you want to watch the preview of the full song, please check the timestamp in the description. We are going to cover a lot of ground today from the basics by playing along, and after that we'll also cover the advanced stuff like adding arpeggios on our chords and certain licks. So make sure you stick around. If you already know the basics, you can feel free to skip to that part. I will also upload these notes on a Google Drive, so check the link in the description for that too. So the scale of the song is in D, which is this. Okay. Please note that the song in the movie is in the scale of C sharp, but when Pratik plays it in live solo, he plays it in the scale of D, so we are going to stick to that in this tutorial. The chords are, first chord is D, okay, this one. Next chord is G, but we play the inverse form, so we start from the D note here. That is the G chord. Next chord is A, okay. There are two minor chords. First one is E minor, just played this way, okay, and the next one is B minor, okay. The time signature for the song is in 8/8, meaning there are 8 beats in each measure, okay. But instead of counting as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no, you count them as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The reason behind that is whenever you count 1, at that point you hit the chord. The chords will sound something like this if you play the first 4 chords, which also happen to be the first 4 chords of the first verse. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. A lot of people skip this part, but I think time signatures are very important for any song. So if you guys want me to create a separate tutorial for only teaching the time signatures, let me know. I'll be happy to do so. Next, let's cover the intro music. It goes something like this. Right? You hear this one and you instantly know which song is it, right? It has a very unique ring to it. The way it is played is, I'll quickly go over the notes. So in the basics section, you have to focus on the yellow part only. We will cover the orange portion in the advanced version. So on the right hand, you play the two notes A and D alternatively. The A that you see in the notes has an underline which basically represents that the A is in the lower octave and the D is in the middle octave. So if you count this as the middle C, this is the middle octave. So this D is in the middle octave while the A is of the lower octave. So it has an underline under it. So the right hand alternates between A and D, and there are two notes in the left hand which are D and F sharp. So I hope you can refer the notes and play. It's very easy. Alright. Now moving on to the verse 1. And we'll only do the basic version in this section, so ignore the orange portion, focus on the yellow portion. The orange one will cover in the advanced portion, right? So the verse will look something like this. If you have liked the video so far, please consider hitting the like button and leave a comment below. If you like learning more about piano lessons, please consider subscribing to my channel, as I plan to post more videos over the time. It takes a significant time for me to create these videos and write the notes. So I'm looking for your help to grow the reach for this channel, and it'd be awesome if you could do this small favor for me. Thanks, and continuing back to the tutorial. रूह से बहती हुई धुन ये इशारे दे, कुछ तेरे राज मेरे राज आवारा से. Right? Easy. As you see, in every measure we are playing the chord 3 times, which is nothing but the 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 time signature, and that's how you continue to play. Let's move on to the chorus. Chorus has the B minor chord, so it goes something like this. खो गए हम कहाँ, रंगों सा ये जहाँ, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंगों सा ये जहाँ. Right? Moving to the verse 2, and you can feel free to pause and rewind, and a lot of people reduce the speed of the videos too. I think that's a very smart thing. I myself learn a lot of songs by doing the same way from YouTube. Verse 2. टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते हैं, जादुई इमारतें हैं, मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ, खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे हम नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंगों सा ये जहाँ. Now the humming portion goes in the same sequence as the verse. And now we come to the third and final verse, which has these minor chord E minor, which kind of adds a very nice twist in the middle of song, which goes something like this. सो गई है ये सांसें सभी, अधूरी सी है कहानी मेरी, फिसल जाए भी तो डरना कोई, रुक जाने की जरूरत नहीं. And again the next stanza is same as verse 1, which goes like this. कागज के पर्दे हैं, ताले हैं दरवाजों पे, पानी में डूबे हुए ख्वाब अल्फाजों के, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ. Alright, and it just repeats the chorus. That more or less finishes the basic version. Make sure to practice this and get comfortable with it. Moving on to the advanced version where we add arpeggios and licks. Please note the chords, time signature, and the chord progression, everything remains the same in advanced version. So first familiarize yourself with that. The only thing we add here are arpeggios and licks. Okay. What we do is we add arpeggios in the left hand. So in the left hand, instead of just playing these chords, we add alternative notes of the last two notes of the chord in the left hand. So along with the arpeggios, your verse will sound something like this. रूह से बहती हुई धुन ये इशारे दे. टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते जादू ही मारते हैं, मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ. Alright. So in addition to arpeggios, there is one major lick that you need to learn to play, which is this. You see, it's beautiful, and it's played in the chord of A, and the notes are C sharp and D, which are being played alternatively, and in the left hand the notes are A and E, right? So, and the A that you play in the last part is in the higher octave. So C sharp D, C sharp, C sharp D, C sharp, A, and again C sharp D, C sharp, A, right? C sharp D, C sharp A, C sharp D, C sharp A. And in the left hand, along with the first C sharp, you play the bass A, and then along with the A in the right hand, you play the E note. Alright, so keep practicing. I know this is a little bit tricky, but this is the only difficult part, I would say, in the advanced version, right? So next we'll play the whole song preview in this view. रूह से बाती हुई दुनिया इशारे दे, कुछ तेरे राज मेरे राज आवारा से, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ. टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते हैं जादू ही मारते हैं, मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ. खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे हम नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ. खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ. सो गई हैं ये सांसें सभी, अधूरी सी है कहानी मेरी, फिसल जाए भी तो डरना कोई, रुक जाने की जरूरत नहीं. कागज के पर्दे हैं, ताले हैं दरवाजों पे, पानी में डूबे हुए ख्वाब अल्फाजों के, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial gives you enough knowledge to practice and play and improve. If you like my video, please hit the like button. Please leave a comment of what you think about it. I love reading them. And if you are interested in more piano tutorials, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me grow the reach for this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.